Hi learners, welcome again on our productive and skill oriented platform. In this section, we will explore type 1 hypervisor, measure capabilities regarding our production, data center or any kind of enterprise level IT infrastructure. So at number one, you can see security for virtualization infrastructure. So with the type 1 hypervisor, there are number of options and tools available to protect our virtualization infrastructure from any kind of hackers and intruders. And as we go with the trainings, we will explore all options regarding the security during our upcoming sessions. At number two, we have failover clustering capabilities available with the type 1 hypervisor. We can create number of host clusters for our production data centers, and we also create clustering technologies regarding networking as well. At number three, support advanced storage solutions on the platform of type 1 hypervisor is also available. You can create central storages, you can create a number of advanced types of protocols for your security and performance optimization regarding storage solutions when we are going to deploy our type 1 hypervisor. At number four, advanced networking features available. So regarding the networking, we have number of options regarding the security, regarding the performance optimization, regarding the fault tolerance, also available with this type of hypervisor. And at number five, enterprise level DR plans also available. There are a number of disaster recovery solutions integrated with type 1 hypervisor, and we have a number of options regarding live migration, regarding number of DR plans for our data center implementation. And at number six, we have central administration and monitoring capability available with this type 1 hypervisor. So when we are going to deploy type 1 hypervisor, there are number of tools for central management by which we can manage our large number of hosts which we deploy for our virtualization infrastructure. And we have a number of monitoring tools available by which we can monitor our performance. We can monitor our security aspects and a number of other resources which we implemented for our type 1 hypervisor. So these are the major capabilities on behalf of which we are going to deploy type 1 hypervisor for our production data center for any kind of enterprise level IT infrastructure. So let's explore and start the deployments regarding type 1 hypervisor.